Alright, so let's take a look at this multiple choice question. Seth and Ryan organized Flatiron Corporation, which issued voting common stock that has a fair market value of $250,000. Both Seth and Ryan transferred property in exchange for the stock. Seth transferred machinery with a fair market value of $150,000 and an adjusted basis of $100,000 in exchange for 40% of Flatiron Corporation. Ryan transferred a building with a fair market value of $100,000 and an adjusted basis of $30,000. The building was subject to a mortgage of $10,000 that was assumed by Flatiron Corporation. What is Flatiron Corporation's basis in the building? So if we can remember what the rules are for the corporation when they are calculating basis of property, it is always going to be the greater of the adjusted basis or the net book value or the debt associated with that property. So now we're looking at the building. So Ryan's building has an adjusted basis of $30,000, right? And that is going to be compared to the debt that is associated with it. So we could see that that is greater than the $10,000 debt. Therefore, our answer is going to be $30,000.